Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So here are a few facts about me and you guys tell me if they are fun, interesting, weird or straight away boring. And also this is kind of an introductory video of me, so let's begin. Okay, so the number one fact about me is that my name is Shraddha Kadam and I have completed my graduation in physics and currently I'm pursuing MBA in digital marketing. I always wanted to do something in the social media field, so this is kind of great for me that I am finally doing what I wanted to do. So the second fact about me is that I am a middle child. So from hearing things like वो बड़ा है उससे इज्जत से बात करो तो वो छोटी है उससे प्यार से बात करो, I have heard it all and I have all the
seen it
middle
all.
kids over here. I see you guys and I feel your pain. Okay, so the third fact about me is that when I was in first standard or second standard, I could be younger, could be older, my brother broke my arm, and it is a very funny story. So let's begin. So we were just like, getting ready to sleep, and my brother, very cunningly asked me to, follow his instructions because he wanted to show me some magic trick. And I, like the naive person that I am, I followed. So he asked me, like, he first placed a pillow on the sofa and then he asked me to put my hand over the pillow and I did. And then he placed another pillow on top of my hand and then he jumped and sat on that pillow and that broke my arm. That was my right hand basically and it hurt as hell. But my family didn't believe that I broke my arm and I had to bear the pain of broken arm the whole night. And the next morning, I was taken to the hospital. And then I got my plaster done and everything with that x ray and everything. So I had to bear the pain of the broken arm the whole night because no one believed me. So the fourth fact about me is that I was a weak child when I was born. And since I never liked milk, like even when I was born, I didn't used to drink milk. So my grandmother used to like dip Parle-G biscuits and hide and seek biscuits, not hide and seek, Parle-G biscuits and Crash Jack biscuits in water and feed me because my survival apparently was not fixed. So that was done. And hence, my sister has this ongoing joke that मेरा और कुत्ते का survival story same है, which honestly is like a compliment to me because I love dogs. Okay, so the fifth fact about me is that when I was in 7th standard, that is 13 or 14 years old, I was diagnosed with psoriasis. And back then, I didn't know that psoriasis is not a curable disease and that it comes and goes again and again. So I was in this whole delusion that it is never going to come back again, but it came back in 2021, in 2027, and it hasn't left me since then. So our bond is going strong, guys. Okay, so the sixth fact about me is that I can cry at literally everything and anything. Like watching an emotional movie, I'll cry. Seeing someone get hurt, I'll cry. You are raising your voice on me, I'll cry. I can cry at everything. So the seventh fact about me is that I was born on 1st February and I love the fact that I was born in the month of love and that my birthday begins the month of love. Like, I don't know, but yeah, I love that fact. And also, I also hate that, I can't do the birthday countdown. Like, I can't do it. My birthday is on February 1st, so the birthday countdown doesn't really happen unless and until it's like someone is too dedicated to begin the countdown from January 1st. So, Delulu is a Solulu. The eighth fact about me is that I write poetries. I love expressing my emotions through words, and I mostly I am not great at communicating. Like, I love to communicate my emotions, but through words on paper. Not great at talking. The ninth fact about me is that I have never once in my life applied sunscreen. And I don't know if I should be scared about it or what, because the whole world is going crazy and prioritizing sunscreen like anything, and I haven't applied it once. And I am secretly deep down scared about it that maybe I am missing out on something. The 10th fact about me is that I love staying at home so much, and I have so much motion sickness that once when I got out of the house after a month or so and was traveling by train, I puked. That is the level of motion sickness I have, guys. I puked while traveling in train. No one does that. No one. Also, this brings me to the last, no, not last, the 11th fact about me is that I love traveling by auto rickshaws. Like, it is my favorite mode of transport. I can travel the world through auto rickshaws. Like, it is the most comfortable mode of travel. Also, I don't get motion sickness in auto rickshaws, so I love them. Okay, I think so. That's it for today's video. If you guys like the video, then do like it and do let me know in the comment section what you liked about the video. And if you want more such videos or if you have any questions or doubts, do let me know in the comment section. So that's it. Bye.